As we see how the I see how the zombies are right now winning, but not until they realize that they know that in the ship is they're gonna know that it's gonna sink when the river. They just don't know where and how, and now they know where it is. And oh boy, it's heaven. As you see how the river has caused the breaking up of the entire area. I see now the zombies here, now there's zombies there. I just see but then again, zombies know how to swim, so I don't think that's gonna be a win-win. I see how zombies I managed to hit this part, the island of Azawaf. Now they're trying to protect themselves. Now let's see how much. Let's see if there's a alliance that they want to be saved. Ashrip, Arch Religion. Okay, Capital Yeesh. Okay, they got some pretty good ties, but yeah, I don't think they will get all of those here. RD5 Alliance? Nope. Even though they are. Listen. Usher, I think it's not. I think your time has ended. I just see how the zombie rampagings around the world, around the area. Due to these creeks can cause zombie virus to climb, to get on land, attacking the area. I just see that, but but now the zombie virus, and then it happened. The ocean never receded. They know it's time now, but they realize they're trapped. I see now that the tsunami has came. Water bombs bomb the coastlines. And then